So Mum, how does it feel like after seeing Island for so long?
I feel so happy.
Because as you can see, Island has started to crawl. So big milestones for him. There you go, guys. He's doing his thing. You're doing your thing.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl. She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island Family channel. I am today, it is our second day out of quarantine. Yesterday we just kind of just chilled back and relaxed at home with Island. We only just went for a walk, but it was a bad idea because Island has been really unsettled since we got out of quarantine. He's been crying a lot. He just hasn't been this like his normal self as he usually is, so he's just starting to slowly get used to you know, being around, you know, family faces and things. But yeah, it's been a while. So today I'm going to the airport to pick up my mum, and we're gonna probably go get a coffee, maybe just, you know, look around at some shops and stuff. So yeah, can't wait for that. I can't wait to see my mum. I've missed her so much, and you'll get to meet her. Alright guys, so stay blessed and we'll catch you soon. Hey guys, I picked up my mum from the airport. Ma, this is Yola. Hi.
Hello.
So I picked up mum.
Hey, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I needed to eat something. Yeah. Let's go.
Alright,
he's
guys.
so happy.
He's
My
happy, yeah?
goodness.
Yeah, so guys, yeah, I picked up mum. Now we're just gonna head in the house and things. So I didn't get time to film when I got to the airport because I got there a little bit late. Mum was already waiting for me, so she just jumped in the car really. But yeah guys, so we're home and just getting everything, and yeah. Alright guys. So Mum, how does it feel like after seeing Island for so long?
I feel so happy, and I feel he know me the first day. My goodness, so cute.
Oh God.
We're gonna
I'm vlogging Mama. Mama's on the vlog, guys. She misses Island so much. She misses. She was just feeding him.
Okay.
He's like so used to the hands, guys, because Daddy made him used to being in the hands while we were in Jamaica. So anyway, hopefully he'll get over that stage. There you have it, guys. Here, happy with mother hen. Good morning guys, welcome back to the Island Family channel. Hope you're all doing well. Just cleaning the lenses, a bit dusty. Haven't used the camera for a while. So now guys, we've got a little bit of a walking, or I should say a milestone, not walking stone. Don't know where my brain's at, excuse the mess. It's early morning of the hours this morning. So we've got little Island here. I've just given him a bath. Island, it's been raining for the last 2 weeks guys, since I've arrived back from hotel quarantine. It's been hello, hi everybody, say hi. Got my rain boots on because I've been outside. So yeah, it's been shocking. So we're going to take you all for a little ride around once I'm ready. We're not ready at the moment because as you can see, Island has started to crawl. So big milestones for him. Soon he'll try and walk, everybody. He'll try and walk soon. As you can see, he's on a roll. There you go. What do you say, Island? Hi. 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 I just gave him a bath, you know, freshen him up a bit because we are going to go out today. I just wanted to show you guys how extensive it gets here when flood rains. You know, not so much where I live, but where I go down to the shopping centre usually gets really over flooded there. So I'll be taking you guys for a little ride and just showing you what it's about. it gets quite high over this way, so a lot of people lose their homes, cars, boats, you name it. Lots of things go when the floodwaters hit peak. So Australia is really mostly known for rainwater, floods, fires and hail damage. So yeah, they're the most three things that we encounter here. So floods, fires and hail damage. Yeah. There you go, guys. He's doing his thing. You're doing your thing. Yes. Yes. Doing your thing. Yes, boy. Hi. You want the camera, don't you? Yeah, I know you do. There you go. He's going to crawl straight up to it. Good boy. Show them your skills. Yay. 8 months old, guys, and that's what Darling is all about. He knows this is the camera and he knows it's filming him. True? He's on the roll.
Did it with you. I split it with you. I regret it. You got submitted.
So guys, there's little Island fast asleep. You know, he's just chilling in his baby chair. Yes guys, it is illegal to have a baby not in a chair here in Australia, but other parts of the world it's not necessarily needed. I know it's a risk thing, but every government has their own legislations and rules. So there he is, snoring his head off. So guys, it's been raining, raining, raining. Just won't stop. 2 weeks full of rain, and I can tell you right now that there's probably like a whole heap of flooding and whatnot in Lismore. So for Alright guys, so we're here at the shopping centre now, and we're just going to do a little bit of shopping, get some baby stuff for Island and that. And yeah, so Island is just woken up not long ago, so as you can see, he's here. Hi Island, in his baby seat, all nice and secure, you know. So don't worry guys, next time I'm around in Jamaica, I'll bring the chair. I've got another spare chair at home, so I'll bring that. All right. Hey, maybe we won't. Maybe. We'll see. But I know that the guy that I rent the car off, he's going to be supplying car seats, because I've made sure that that would be a good, you know, another way of making some extra money for him in his business. So yeah. All right, we're going to get out, guys. So we're here at we're here at Big W, and just going to get baby some stuff that he needs and just have a little look around. So yeah, people just stare at you when you're holding your camera. It's weird. I wanted to get Island some more warm pants, possibly a size 1, size 2, size 2. Get you, Papa. Get you, Papa. You look nice in this color, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You say hi. Yeah, look at the big smiles he's giving you all, guys. He knows he's being filmed. He's a little star, this boy. Aren't you, Island? You're a star. Yes, you are. And Daddy's on the phone there. I bet you he's like almost half asleep though. Or falling asleep. No. Look at that, guys. Green frogs. We've got plenty of babies.
This is the baby one.
Alright.
Can she show
See you. Look at that. Yeah, she can show Island.
They both are
Go on,
like
show Island.
Kevin, give it to
Go
man.
on.
Did you want your hands?
Where is it?
Because they shopping.
Lord.
Maybe
Yeah, I know they jump. Oh my god.
they shopping whatever, they don't care.
You grabbed it? You got it, okay.
No way.
Don't you stop. What are you doing that for, Island?
Eat.
Can I have a tissue there? Thank you. What are you doing? I make a mess, you bubble. Making a mess. Hey. Tell Isha. We're eating lunch. Yeah. Talk. Say something, boo.
Okay.